Hi everyone, I had real fun over the last 2 days at the academy, at the campus. It's my third campus and the spirit in Danone is amazingly high and contagious. But more importantly than the 2 days is basically what you do with the skills you've learned and the hours that you've put in learning those skills. So it'll be very, very sad that those skills are missing or it's lost. Research shows that within a 1 month period that you will forget 90% of what you heard or learned. So my suggestion for you, any one of you, find ways of putting it into practice, find ways of doing it in emails, find ways in doing it in conversations, find ways in doing it in discussions or meetings, because you owe it to yourself to make sure that the skills you learn is used not just now but for a long time to come.
Hi everybody, my name's Naomi and I've been working with Danone for 6 years. I'm the quality manager for the Churraches factory here in Indonesia. Personally, I thought it was an amazing experience. I felt touched by our trainer. She was very straight to the point, and I believe that this is something that we can apply in everyday life, inside of work but also outside. She taught us the basics of how to effectively communicate a complicated or difficult or data-containing story to people, and I think that can really help me change and become a better person. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Gita. I'm from ISIT Account Manager from Danone Indonesia. And today I am attending the Danone Campus here in ISBSD. And I have visited some booths. One of them is related with the communication conducted by General Secretary. And one of the learning that I get that the guidance or the framework on how to communicate not only internally but also externally. As a Danoner, we know that how we can communicate in the good and also apply with the standard of Danone. And hopefully this kind of initiative can be kept in the next session. Good luck and happy learning everyone.